Book of Heaven, Volume 11, January 12, 1916. Almost all nations have united in offending God and have conspired against him. I was lamenting to blessed Jesus because of his usual privations, and I was crying bitterly. And my adorable Jesus came, but in a sorrowful state, showing how things will get worse and worse. This made me cry more, and Jesus told me,
"My daughter, you cry over the present times, and I cry over the future. Oh, in what a maze will the nations find themselves, to the point that one will become the terror and the massacre of the other, such that they will be unable to get out by themselves. They will do things as though crazy, as though blind, to the point of acting against themselves. And the maze which poor Italy is in, how many shocks she will receive. Remember how many years ago I told you that she deserved the chastisement of being invaded by foreign nations. This is the plot that they are hatching against her. How humiliated and annihilated she will remain. She has been too ungrateful with me. The nations for which I had a predilection, Italy and France, are the ones which have denied me the most. They held hands in offending me. Just chastisement. They will hold hands in being humiliated. They will also be the ones which will wage war more against the church. Ah, my daughter, almost all nations have united in offending me. They have conspired against me. What wrong have I done to them? So almost all of them deserve chastisement.
But who can say the sorrow of Jesus, the state of violence in which he was, and also my fright, my fear? I said to my Jesus, how can I live amid so many tragedies? Either you let me be the victim and spare the peoples, or you take me with you.